What's up everyone, it's Woody. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to go to Cars and Coffee in Knightdale. Video's already been recorded, I've been editing it. This whole video was done on my new GoPro Max, and all of the video except for the intro and outro are done in 360 and then edited using the GoPro tool. So hopefully you'll enjoy that, and I'll talk a little bit more about my thoughts on the process after the video. So stay tuned and I hope you like it. So like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'm recording on the new GoPro Max, and I felt like the video went pretty well. Let me know what you think. Drop down in the comments. Let me know if you thought something was good, if you want to see more of something, less of something. Any input you can give me is great, because I'm trying to get used to this new tool. We have our Piedmont Drift coming up this coming Saturday, and that's going to be starting at 5 o'clock. Gates open at 3 p.m. at Piedmont Dragway in Julian, North Carolina. So if you want to come on out and see that, it'll be a lot of fun. The GoPro app, as far as editing the footage, has actually been really good. It does add an extra step because I have to put it into a standard MP4 format and then go in and splice it through Adobe. But the tools with GoPro app were actually really easy to get it to point where I want it to see what I want it to see. I'm seeing a little bit of artifacts and things like that where you could see a little bit of the sun catching on the edge of that domed lens. So that kind of adds a difficulty in filming, but I'm going to try to get used to it. I'm hoping some of that's fixed with software, so keep on looking for that. I'm going to be doing more of this. Like I said, let me know what you like. Let me know what you think could be done differently or better. I'm trying to get used to this new tool, and I'm really looking forward to it. It's been really cool so far to see all that I can do. I mentioned in a previous video that there is some telemetry options that can be used, so I'm still trying to figure out how to use those and if I can get those to work, but I did find the tool. It's actually in the GoPro website, and it's called Quick in their application section. So I'm going to be playing with that more. I'm really hoping I can get it figured out before this coming Saturday's event, because I'd like to get some telemetry overlay on some of the drift ride-alongs, but we'll see if I can get that figured out or not. Video felt like it went really well. Like I said, let me know what you thought. Drop down in the comments below. If you're not a subscriber already and you like the channel videos that I'm doing, give me a subscription. I'd really love it. I'm trying to get up to over 100 within the next week or two, so consider that, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, and I hope you have a great day.